Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into rare, affordable, and legendary classic motorcycles for sale across the USA. Real listings, real prices, and real history. Number 1. 1947 Indian Chief Bobber, $19,000, Westminster, Maryland. This 1947 Indian Chief Bobber represents one of the most iconic American motorcycles ever produced. Powered by a large displacement V-twin, the Chief was known for its smooth torque, distinctive valanced fenders, and commanding road presence. This example has been bobbed for a cleaner, stripped-down look while still preserving its vintage character. The seller reports that the bike runs strong, features a new battery, and is ready to be enjoyed. Finished in black, it carries the unmistakable post-war American motorcycle aesthetic that collectors chase today. With production numbers limited and demand consistently high, pre-1950 Indian Chiefs continue to appreciate. Located in Westminster, Maryland, and offered at $19,000 or best offer, this bike sits at the intersection of rideable classic and long-term collectible. For enthusiasts seeking authentic American heritage with undeniable presence, this Indian Chief remains a cornerstone of classic motorcycling history. Number 2. 1972 Suzuki GT750, $11,000, Etowah, North Carolina. Known as the Water Buffalo, the 1972 Suzuki GT750 was the world's first mass-produced liquid-cooled motorcycle. This California Burgundy example shows 22,363 miles and comes from a private collection background. The seller reports extensive recent servicing, including rebuilt carburetors, updated starter clutch assembly, fresh tires, brake work, timing adjustment, and coolant service. The GT750's two-stroke triple engine delivers smooth power and a distinctive exhaust note that defined the era. This bike remains largely stock, preserving its collector appeal while still being road-ready. Located in Etowah, North Carolina, and priced at $11,000, it reflects the growing appreciation for well-kept Japanese classics. As early Japanese engineering milestones gain recognition, clean GT750s like this continue to attract collectors who want innovation, performance, and unmistakable 1970s character. Number 3. 1973 BMW R75/5, $4,000, Jacksonville, North Carolina. This 1973 BMW R75/5 offers classic German engineering with tasteful updates for modern usability. Powered by BMW's legendary air-cooled Boxer twin, the R75/5 is known for reliability, smooth cruising, and balanced handling. This example features new Mikuni carburetors, Enduralast electronic ignition, fresh throttle cables, and period-correct tires. While not a museum bike, its honest patina adds character without compromising ride quality. The original points ignition remains intact, giving the owner flexibility. With a clear North Carolina title and a firm $4,000 price, this bike represents excellent value in today's vintage market. Located in Jacksonville, North Carolina, it's an ideal choice for riders who want a classic BMW that's meant to be enjoyed on the road, not just admired in a garage. Number 4. 1968 Yamaha YR2 350, $3,600, Wheatfield, Indiana. The 1968 Yamaha YR2 350 Grand Prix is a classic two-stroke twin that reflects Yamaha's early performance-focused design philosophy. Showing just 8,350 original miles, this bike was restored roughly 10 years ago and remains in excellent cosmetic condition. The paint still presents well, the engine runs strong, and a recently replaced battery keeps it road-ready. Stored in a heated garage and exercised sparingly, this YR2 has avoided the neglect that often plagues vintage two-strokes. Minor cosmetic dings on the front fender remind viewers this is a real survivor, not an over-restored showpiece. Located in Wheatfield, Indiana, and priced at $3,600, it offers accessible entry into classic Japanese two-stroke ownership, combining lightweight handling, period performance, and undeniable vintage charm. Number 5. 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH, $11,900, Irwin, Pennsylvania. This 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH blends classic Shovelhead character with extensive mechanical updates. Featuring electronic ignition, rebuilt front suspension, brand new OEM wiring harness, fresh paint, new shocks, tires, exhaust, and brake components, this bike has been thoroughly refreshed. Performance upgrades include S&S heads and a Super G carburetor, while rare period accessories like the ribbed underseat cover and Cal Custom air scoop enhance its vintage appeal. Everything functions as intended, including all indicator lights, which is notable for a bike of this era. Located in Irwin, Pennsylvania, with a clean title and no trades accepted, this $11,900 FLH offers a turnkey shovelhead experience, classic Harley sound and feel without constant wrenching. Number 6. 1981 Honda Goldwing, $2,200, Henderson, Tennessee. The 1981 Honda Goldwing represents one of the most durable touring motorcycles ever built. Powered by a smooth flat-4 engine, this Goldwing runs and shifts well, needing only a charged or replacement battery to be fully road-ready. Known for their longevity and comfort, early Goldwings continued to serve as reliable classic tourers. Finished in red and located in Henderson, Tennessee, this example is priced at just $2,200, making it an affordable entry point into vintage touring. For riders who value smooth power delivery, mechanical dependability, and classic Honda engineering, this Goldwing remains one of the best bargains in the classic motorcycle market. Number 7. 1971 Triumph Trophy 650, $6,500, Montgomery, Ohio. This 1971 Triumph Trophy 650 has undergone a frame-off restoration and shows fewer than 10 miles since completion. Finished in Triumph Carmine Red, it reflects the bold styling that made British twins legendary. The seller, a long-term owner of over 20 years, includes a brand new loading ramp, adding practical value. With classic parallel twin performance, responsive handling, and unmistakable British character, this trophy is both collectible and rideable. Located in Montgomery, Ohio, and priced at $6,500, it offers buyers a freshly restored Triumph without the uncertainty of unfinished projects, ready to ride, show, or add to a serious collection. Number 8. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,000, Girard, Ohio. This original 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 was rescued after sitting in storage for over 2 decades. Since then, it has received rebuilt carburetors, new tires, battery, fluids, air filter, and brake service. The KZ650's air-cooled inline-4 delivers smooth, reliable power and represents Kawasaki's golden-era engineering. Finished in orange and located in Girard, Ohio, this bike runs strong and is ready for regular use. At $3,000, it stands out as a practical classic, easy to ride, easy to maintain, and increasingly appreciated as unmodified examples become harder to find. Number 9. 1975 Bultaco Astro M146, $3,500, Milton, West Virginia. The Bultaco Astro M146 is a legendary flat-track machine, and this example comes with known history and long-term family ownership. While currently a rolling project, it retains correct Astro components, a straight frame, original fiberglass, and valuable period parts. The engine requires attention, but the foundation is solid and authentic. Located in Milton, West Virginia, and priced firmly at $3,500, this Astro is aimed at knowledgeable enthusiasts who appreciate vintage racing heritage. Properly completed, bikes like this hold strong collector value and represent a rare chapter of Spanish motorcycle history. Number 10. 1970 Triumph T120 Bonneville, $8,975, Travelers Rest, South Carolina. The 1970 Triumph T120 Bonneville is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever made. This matching numbers example has benefited from over $7,500 in mechanical updates and recently completed road testing. Known for strong mid-range power and timeless styling, the T120 remains highly collectible. Located in Travelers Rest, South Carolina, and priced at $8,975, this Bonneville balances originality with usability, ideal for collectors who want a bike that looks right, sounds right, and rides as intended. Number 11. 1930 Indian Scout 101, $40,000, Chicago Ridge, Illinois. The Indian Scout 101 is widely regarded as one of the finest motorcycles ever built. This 1930 example runs, holds a clean Illinois title, and represents pre-war engineering at its peak. With legendary handling, robust construction, and enduring desirability, Scout 101s remain blue-chip collectibles. Located in Chicago Ridge, Illinois, and priced firmly at $40,000, this motorcycle is aimed squarely at serious collectors seeking historically significant American iron. Number 12. 1978 Suzuki GS, $5,000, Columbus, Ohio. This listing includes 2 vintage Suzuki GS motorcycles, both with clean titles. Known for durability and smooth inline-4 performance, GS models continue to attract riders looking for dependable classics. Located in Columbus, Ohio, the $5,000 price reflects the growing appreciation for clean, unmolested Japanese standards from the late 1970s. Number 13, 1972 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $10,000, Clark Range, Tennessee. This 1972 custom Shovelhead features kickstart-only operation, a dry clutch, and 4-speed ratchet-top transmission. Built with old-school attitude, it's aimed at riders who value mechanical involvement and raw character. Located in Clark Range, Tennessee, and offered at $10,000, this bike appeals to traditionalists who want a true hands-on Harley experience. Number 14, 1970 BSA Lightning, $5,000, Port Washington, Wisconsin. This 1970 BSA Lightning is a matching number survivor showing remarkably low miles. Though it hasn't run in decades, it turns over with good compression and remains exceptionally well preserved. Located in Port Washington, Wisconsin, and priced at $5,000, it's an ideal candidate for careful recommissioning, retaining originality that collectors value. Number 15, 1967 Triumph Daytona Tiger, $4,500, Monetta, Virginia. This 1967 Triumph Daytona Tiger runs well, starts easily, and has received recent ignition and carburetor service. Showing 15,666 miles, it offers classic British performance with approachable ownership costs. Located in Monetta, Virginia, and priced at $4,500, our best offer, it's a strong option for riders seeking vintage style without premium pricing. That's today's Market Snapshot. For more classic motorcycles for sale, real prices, and real listings, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and ride history with us.